in this comprehensive tutorial on how to download and install the popular image editor GIMP. Hi, these are tutorial steps on how to download and install GIMP photo editor. It is a free and open source software, a powerful and popular free photo editor, and is considered as the best and excellent alternative to Photoshop. Let's begin. Open your web browser and type GIMP in the search engine. And click on the first link is gimp.org. Click here on download. Here you will find 4 download options. GIMP for Mac OS. Download for Mac with Intel graphics cards via BitTorrent or download directly. The same goes for Mac Apple Silicon graphics cards. If you are using one of the Linux distribution, you can install GIMP directly from Flatpak or using these commands only. For Microsoft Windows, you can download directly from here, or BitTorrent too. It is available on Microsoft Store. Okay, back to Mac OS. I always recommend downloading via directly download option. Just click once. Click allow if you see it. Wait for the download to complete. After completing the download, close browser, go to your downloads folder, select your GIMP file, and right-click and open. This window will appear. Just drag GIMP to the applications folder. Wait to complete a copy of the program in the applications. Close this window and click on Spotlight Search in the top bar here and type GIMP. You will see it here. Just click once on it. Then wait to System to Verifying Program, or you can find it on Applications here. And click Open. Wait for the application to launch. Here you are. You successfully downloaded and installed GIMP. This is what the menu bar looks like in GIMP on Mac OS. And editing tools. Here everything you need to edit photos. It is a powerful program that is close to Photoshop in tools and work as well. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!